Welcome back. Residents of Kirlpal Dabhal are up in arms against the government for failing to resume mining in the state. Meanwhile, the environmentalist Ramesh Gawar says government's mining ordinance is not applicable for Goan leases at all. Mining leases in the state are dead and there is no provision in the ordinance to revive such dead leases. He says government will invite more trouble for mining dependents.
Mining dependents from Kirlpal Dabhal held a meeting on Wednesday, protesting against the government's failure to resume mining in the state.
जेन्ना बंद जाल्लें तेन्ना 43 रुपया डिझेल आशिल्लें आनी आयज डिझेलाचो रेट 55 रुपया जाला आनी तेन्ना रेट आशिल्लो 57 पयशे. इतल्या डिफरन्सान आमकां बरो रेट दिवचो सरकारान. दुसरो म्हटल्यार सरकारान जी एक्सपोर्ट ड्युटी वाडयल्या ती कमी करची, कित्याक एक्सपोर्ट जायना जाल्यार माल सद्या कोण व्हरपाक तयार ना.
कॉलेजीक वयता जाल्यार तिकेटी दिवपाक सुद्दां म्हाजे कडेन पयशे आसना. दिसाक 20 रुपया दिवन धाडटा तेका, पूण ते तेका पावना. तितले पयशे खंयचे? मायनींग बंद जाल्यार सगळ्यांची परिस्थिती आमची बिगट जाल्या. एक टायम आमी दनपारचें जेवता पूण रातचें आमकां जेवपा सारकी तितली ताकद ना आमकां.
While the government has begun the mining lease renewal process in full swing, environmentalists have an altogether different say on the latest mining ordinance.
आतांच्या सरकारान स्टॅम्प ड्युटी घेवन कितें केल्लें आसा, लीज रिन्यू करपाचें जें नाटक केल्लें आसा ना, त्या नाटकान तुजे ऑर्डिनन्सांतले सेक्शन 8A जे आसा ना ते आमकां एप्लिकेबल ना. आनी ह्यो लिजी आसात आमच्यो त्यो ऑलरेडी डेड लिजीस आसात. म्हणून ऑर्डिनन्स ज्यो लीज रिन्युअल जाल्ल्यो आसात सेक्शन 8(2) MMDR एक्टाच्या सकयल तांकां लागू आसात. ह्यो डेड लिजी आसल्या कारणा खातीर ह्या लिजींक रिन्युअल म्हणूंक शकना. ह्यो रिवायवल ऑफ मायनींग लिजीस, ऑर्डिनन्स रिवायवल ऑफ मायनींग लिजीस खातीर ना हो सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाचो. आमच्या कडेन जें चल्लां ना तें रिवायवल जाता. पयलींचे MMDR एक्टाच्या सकयल 8(2) सकयल जे रिन्युअल जावपाक जाय आसलें तें जावना. आनी ह्यो सगळ्यो डीम लिजी आमच्यो. डीम लिजीचें प्रोविजन आसलेल्या खातीर हें लागू ना. आमची डीम लिजी म्हणून चालू आसलेल्यो 7च्या नंतर सगळ्यो काबार डीम लिजीचें सगळें प्रकरण. मागीर आनी आतां खंयची लिजी उरल्या म्हणजे त्यो डेड जाल्यो 7 सुप्रीम कोर्टान सांगल्या प्रमाणे.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Prudent's crime reporter Mukesh Kumar has recorded his statement in the departmental inquiry against PI Praveen Wasta and PSI Vikram Naik. Mukesh Kumar in his statement has, before the investigating officer, narrated the detailed account of the misbehavior and assault by the accused cops. Accused policemen harassed and assaulted Kumar during the early hours of 27 December 2014 inside Panji police station while he had been there to lodge a complaint.
Assisting in the investigation in the departmental inquiry against PI Praveen Wast and PSI Vikram Naik, Prudent's crime reporter Mukesh Kumar has recorded his statement. The statement has been recorded before investigating officer DYSP Nelson Albuquerque. Mukesh Kumar in his statement corroborated the proofs in the form of video how PI of PCR Praveen Wast and PSI attached with Panji police station forged non-cognizable complaints against him. He also explained how the video was shot which recorded the wrongdoings of PI Wast and PSI Vikram Naik. It may be recalled that on 27 December, PSI of Panji police station Vikram Naik and PCR PI Praveen Kumar Wast had assaulted Prudent's crime reporter and racially abused him when he had gone to the police station to lodge a complaint. Bureau Report, Prudent.
NCP has demanded sacking of Sports Minister Ramesh Tawadkar for his controversial remarks on LGBTs. Party spokesperson has also raised EDM's tax dues issue. EDMs have not yet paid areas and commercial taxes for the last 2 years. Government is secretive in divulging details under RTI regarding tax paid by Sunburn and Supersonic. NCP has also charged Tourism Minister of influencing the EDM girl death probe.
Condemn the Sports Minister's statement that he made on the LGBT. If this statement is made under ignorance, as stated by the Chief Minister, Sri Tarwarkar has no right to continue as the Youth and Affairs Minister. He should be sacked immediately because the youth of the state is at stake, their future is at stake.
Trojano claimed that the Sunburn and Supersonic are defaulters in taxes and government is shielding them.
Small amounts are not paid by our local businessmen in different areas. They are being immediately termed as defaulters and debarred from getting any further permission. Forget about 2014, 2015. I'm not on that. 2012, 2013, 2013, 2014. When we have asked what is the amount of tax already paid, you will be shocked to know that this money is supposed to be collected in the government treasury, which belongs to each and every one of us. The answer is that it cannot be disclosed.
NCP has charged the Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar of influencing fashion designer Isha Mantri's EDM death case probe.
The tourism minister to make such a statement that it was his information that she was in a hotel and she died in a hotel and she died out of excess alcohol, the question arises is, was the tourism minister sitting down with her for a drink? How did he know this? That he was directing the police to take a certain line of investigation, and this has been placed by me before the High Court.
Chetan Gavas for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.